Welcome to this video summary of Data Governance Success, Growing and Sustaining Data Governance by Rupa Mohanty. In this video, we'll explore the key concepts and practical insights from the book to help you understand how to develop and sustain effective data governance practices in your organization. Data governance refers to the overall management of data availability, usability, integrity, and security in an enterprise. It's a crucial part of data management, ensuring that data is accurate, consistent, and accessible. Effective data governance provides a competitive advantage by improving data quality and compliance, and by enhancing decision-making processes. Implementing data governance comes with its own set of challenges. These include the inherently political nature of data governance, with various stakeholders often having conflicting interests. Other significant hurdles are the lack of executive sponsorship and continuous funding, as well as misalignment between business objectives and IT strategies. To overcome these challenges, certain key factors are essential for data governance success. These include strong executive sponsorship, ensuring that the data governance initiatives align with the overall corporate strategy, and a commitment to viewing data governance as a long-term program rather than a one-off project. The book discusses various data governance maturity models, which help organizations assess their current state and set goals for improvement. These models typically assign a score from 1 to 5, similar to the capability maturity model. Understanding and utilizing these models is crucial for growing and sustaining data governance practices. A solid data governance framework comprises several components, including people, processes, and technology. The book emphasizes the importance of having the right organizational structures and operating models. A hybrid or federated model often works best, combining centralized accountability with decentralized execution. Measuring the success of data governance initiatives is critical. The book outlines the importance of selecting the right metrics, which can be categorized into different types, such as compliance metrics, quality metrics, and usage metrics. Examples include data accuracy rates, compliance with data policies, and user satisfaction scores. The book provides numerous case studies and examples from different industries, highlighting best practices and lessons learned. These practical insights are invaluable for understanding how to effectively implement and sustain data governance in diverse organizational contexts. In conclusion, data governance success, growing and sustaining data governance, emphasizes that data governance is an ongoing journey that requires continuous commitment and strategic alignment. By using maturity models and robust frameworks, organizations can effectively manage their data assets and achieve lasting success. Thank you for watching. If you found this summary helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and insights. For a deeper dive into the topics covered, I highly recommend reading Data Governance Success by Rupa Mohanty. Links to related resources can be found in the description below.